honey, it gives, and then it's like that twang vanilla. I cannot explain it. I don't know what the twang is, but it gives you like, I don't know if it's that spicy that gives me that twang. It like, it's vanilla, but it like is like, it like shifts the vanilla a little bit. But hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag, coming to you with another video and review. And today we are going to get into it, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on the new Billie Eilish fragrance. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Welcome back. And I am so happy we have some new subscribers, a part of the family. Yay! Welcome to this beautiful family of sisters, brothers, auntie, grandma, cousin. Welcome to the family. We are so glad to have you. And so on this channel, we talk about fragrances and body care. So if you're interested, come on and join the family. If you are just viewing, don't be just a viewer. Be a subscriber and be a part of the family. Give me the thumbs up and comment down below. And we are going to get right into it. Oh, by the way, your sis name is Amber. If I don't, sometimes I forget to introduce my own self. My name is Amber, those who do not know. But we're going to get into it, okay? Because in the fragrance community, I am probably late. Maybe not late for some of my family, but for like the fragrance community as a whole, yo sis is late. But I got the Billie Eilish, and I was going back and forth. I'm not gonna lie. You know, I have been to Ulta several times, and I've gone back and forth to get this or not to get this, okay? And I think my hesitation was because it is nothing like groundbreaking. But I had to like say to myself, Amber, like, does everything have to be groundbreaking for you to like purchase it? If it's a reasonable price, and you know, no, not every fragrance has to be groundbreaking. It just has to smell good to me. And it does smell good to me. So let's get into it. And I'm looking at my notes from Fragrantica. But some of the main, of course, is vanilla. Now you already know, your sis is addicted to vanilla. You know why. Okay. Sweet, warm, spicy. We have some cocoa. We have some amber and powdery. And then the top notes, we have sugar. We have some red berries, mandarin orange. We have middle notes. We have some vanilla, some spicy notes, some rose. And then we still have the cacao. And then the base notes, we have tonka bean, amber, musk, and woody notes. So this is a beauty, you know, and I have smelled this in store, walked out of store, was thinking about going back in the store to get it. I'm glad I have this in my collection. Now, I did mean to purchase the 3.4 ounce bottle, which is the larger size. I got the 1.7, which I'm not mad at, right? But this was like $58, and to purchase the 3.4 ounce, it was only like a $10 difference. It was like $68 or something like that. Like, to me, if I'm going to spend that money, I might as well give you $10 more and get the larger bottle. That's my thoughts kind of when I'm getting like bigger bottles, smaller bottles. If the price difference is only by a couple of dollars or not too far off, I'm just going to get the bigger bottle. That's just your sis. That's just how I roll. That's just me, you know. Me alone, maybe. But this is a beauty. So if you were interested in getting this, I would test it. Now, I would test this. I would not blind buy this. You better go to your Ulta store and test it. Maybe just get the travel size, because they do have a travel size. So maybe just get the travel size, maybe test that for a while and see if you're even interested in having this as part of your collection. But to me, honey, that vanilla, I really can't wait to wear this in the fall. Like, this is good any season. I would say this is good any season. It will last you, because I tested it out a little bit, so it'll last you about 4 to 6 hours. So longevity is not, you know, days and days. Sillage, like, it's not beast mode, but to me, you still, if somebody is like close to you in your realm, they're still gonna smell you. You're still gonna smell good. Honey, it gives, and then it's like that twang vanilla. I cannot explain it. I don't know what the twang is. But it gives you like, I don't know if it's that spicy that gives me that twang. It like, it's vanilla, but it like is like, it like shifts the vanilla a little bit. But it's still oh so good. So if you are interested, I would recommend it. I would not recommend you blind buying this. Now the bottle, it's okay. It's okay. It looks like a statue, so it gives cute vibes. It's cute. But yeah, I would go ahead and put this in your collection if you are a vanilla fan like me. I would get it. Moving on. So let me show you some of the other things I picked up from Ulta. They had a sale going on, and I got a little Real Technique brush, and it was like on sale, on clearance. So this was the only one left. No, they actually, take that back. It wasn't the only one left. There was another one available, but this is the one that kind of looked more of my realm. I am not a makeup artist. I just do my makeup. I just try to get by, okay? Let me get by. So don't come for your sis. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm a mother. I just try to do what I do. Period. Okay. But it was, I feel like this was like $4.99 or something like that. So pick that up. Then I picked up the Formula 10.4.6. I don't know if you all ever heard of this this brand, but they have even some body washes, some body butters, some facial products, and different things. I mean, I don't hear this around town. This is not like the talk around town. So it wasn't this particular cleanser, but I have used this before in a different scent. I think it was like a blueberry or something like that. But this is passion fruit and green tea. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it for like a daily. I've been looking for a daily face cleanser. You know, they have Tatcha and all of those like top name brands. It's expensive. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, I'm a lover of fragrances, and my coinage kind of goes in that direction. Facial products, I love you, but you know, my pockets, I'd be like, ugh, okay, maybe not. So I'm really trying to look for a more affordable option that works, like a daily face cleanser. You know, when I want to do like a heavy self-care day and really put on like a really nice kind of cleanser for the day and really be a luxury type of experience, then okay, I'll reach for my Tatcha or something like that. But an everyday, I don't know, I'm just, well, maybe, okay, maybe for you, maybe touches every day for you, but I'm just not trying to spend that coinage yet. Okay, maybe that's on my wish list. Maybe that's on my wish list for someone else. Hello. Okay, you catch that later. But you know, maybe that's on my wish list. But a daily cleanser, I'm just trying to look for something affordable. Okay, don't know about you all, but I'm gonna try this out, test it out, see if I like it. And then I got the Thirst No More Moisturizer from the same company, and so I'm going to use their moisturizer. I'm excited about that. Honey, if you go to Ulta and don't pick up a sponge, makeup sponge, I just always just pick up a little case. Like, this is the Wet n Wild, nothing deep. But if they have it on sale, I'm just gonna pick it up because I, you know, use makeup every now and then. I'm not really a heavy makeup person, but I'll use it every now and again, like for this video, okay? But, so I picked up a 2-pack, and then the girls have been talking. Y'all have been talking, and the sister is like, oh my goodness, y'all gonna have me buy something else. Okay, Laura Mercier, this is the translucent loose setting powder. I might be late, and I got the smaller one so I could test it out. And of course I might be late, but y'all been talking about this, and I did it on my face. Again, I'm not like a makeup connoisseur, so I don't know if I could tell the difference. But if you all can tell the difference, let me know. I don't know what I'm looking for. Maybe you can help a sister out in the comments and tell me what I'm supposed to be looking for. Maybe I didn't do it right. But, so I'm going to continue to try this out. So I'm happy I got that. Moving on, I got Juvia's Place Glass Lip Gloss. Honey, look at that. So glazed. The lashes are Juvia's Place. Okay? Makeup is not Juvia's Place. I think the makeup, I think I did some Huda. Then I did Huda for my eyes. Anyway, I love their makeup. I love their makeup. I love that they're a Black-owned brand company. Like, I love them, and I'm a supporter. Like, if I have the coins, I'm gonna go pick and dip and get something. I love Juvia's Place. If you have not heard of them, I would go to Ulta and I would pick something up from them. You know, it's quality makeup, quality product that fits really all skin types, but definitely for my brown, tan girls, it's really geared towards us. But if you want to try it out of all colors, and honey, you can. Like, makeup is freedom. Makeup is no judgment. Whatever you want, no matter who makes it, pick it up. Like, if you like it, pick it up. Pick it up. Anyway, I don't know where that went to. So look at this. I hope you all can see it. It's like a translucent pink, like an ombre type. She's so pretty. She is so pretty. I wish I can. Let me see. Let's see. Look at that. Y'all see that? Oh my gosh. And talk about glass. That pretty. Okay? Get this. It's So Glazed again. Got it at Ulta. Pick it up. Beautiful. And it feels the texture butter. The texture is butter. So guys, that is all. That is all for this Ulta haul. So if you are interested in any of these products, I'm going to list it down below. just so that you know what to look for. But thank you so much, family, for stopping by. Please subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. When you give me the thumbs up, more people can come to this channel. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know if you've been to Ulta lately. Maybe you've picked up a few things. I would love to hear some of your picks, and maybe I can look into going back to Ulta. All right, family. Well, thank you so much for stopping by. Bye, family.